They're certainly not shy about water in the track. They do this after almost every race. Strangely, it's not been slop. Anyway, I'm going to save my camera, but they've been really putting a lot of water down. Cuts down on the dust, but strangely, it's not been complete slop, which surprises me because they water it after every race. Oh, they're rolling it. Next is the A main. But I guess when you have the grand mecca of motorsports racing, you can afford to do that. I'll be. Oh, here, let's zoom it in a little bit. Spiked roller. Normally, most tracks, as you racing fans will know, they'll only throw down water before the main races after the heats, but they've put so much water down, or trickled water onto the track, it's crazy. After almost every race, as I said. Compact it well, I guess. From the Zamboni.
One drive. One decision to sign up. 5 live sets.
Well, anyway, I better save my video for the A main.